This is how successful people manage their time. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to achieve their goals. Time management. Ever you have wondered how successful people seem to get so much done? Well, I've got some step-by-step secrets which I will reveal and actionable steps. So let's get started. The worst thing people do is prioritization. Yes, prioritization. The first up thing is prioritization. Success people know that all tasks are not created equally. The focus is what is important. Many of the successful people use Eisenhower matrix and they categorize in the 4 quadrants based on urgent and important. For instance, they tackle the high priority task first, ensuring they are always moving towards their goal. So next time you make your to-do list, ask yourself what's urgent and what's truly important. The second one is scheduling. Yes, time blocking is a popular technique, and this is among higher achievers, which is like this method which they involve is setting up a possible blocks and their work meeting, creative projects, and even their personal time. Everything is dedicated as a slot to, and focus is there to just rule out the distractions and focus more. So here scheduling and allotting a time block, a particular time, is good idea. Another thing is goal setting, which is a critical aspect. That is having clarity in your goals. Successful people use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. By breaking down larger goals into smaller actionable steps works, because then you can track the progress and anything measured is done. Measurement is very important. So remember, big achievement starts with small, very small, manageable, actionable goals. Limiting distractions. Limiting distractions, again I'm repeating, is the fourth very important thing. Here, this is a distracted world. Even if you're sitting alone, let me tell you, you are not alone. Your mobile, social media, all time your brain is with like a lot of distractions. So limiting the distractions, with like so many successful people sharing that there are so many ways they create a focused environment, turning off the phone notifications and setting up particular time to check the emails, and finding a quiet workplace without the phone and gadgets. This is really one. Many people have shared this. The fifth thing is taking breaks. Yes, short breaks really help, like stretching, walk. And everybody, let me tell you, for everyone, the break really depends individualistically. So finally, don't forget that what I'm talking about break is actually a counterintuitive process, and successful people regularly take breaks to boost their productivity. Techniques like Pomodoro, where 25 minutes of work is there and 5 minutes break is there, help them maintain their energy and also increases their focus. So schedule your breaks. They are not waste of time. They are essential. So there you have how successful people, they manage their time and they prioritize, they take necessary breaks, they have these strategies, and ongoingly, which one is more appealing to you. I would like you to share with me and do comment so that I know that this was really a valuable piece for you, and what action are you going to take. And if you found this video valuable, I request you, I would love to ask you to share this video with someone who needs it. And my dear friends, there's a winning work week formula which really helps you in time management, and your human SWOT analysis is something which will double your productivity. When you are stopping on this video, it's like an invitation to go more forward, to know more about winning work week formula and human SWOT analysis. I'm Dr. Nahid Khan. I do time audit, and I have been with so many successful people. Just keep following my social media handles and go through the description. There are so many links which are just a click away, which are going to help you to upgrade and update your time management. See you in the next video.